There are two ways to work in this world. One way is the way nearly everyone has been taught, to work harder, push more, grind endlessly, and sacrifice your peace to chase results. The other way is the way Wallace Delois Wattles discovered, a method of working that aligns your mind, your actions, and your purpose with the universal laws that govern wealth and creation. This teaching is known as the certain way. Most people believe that success goes to the hardest workers. But look around. There are people who work from sunrise to sunset and still struggle to survive. And there are others who work calmly, steadily, even joyfully. And wealth flows to them with ease. The difference is not effort. The difference is alignment. Wallace D. Wattles explained that the universe responds not to physical struggle, but to the mental state behind the action. Hard work alone, when rooted in fear, desperation, or scarcity, produces exhaustion, not abundance. But when you work with clarity of purpose, faith in your vision, and gratitude in your heart, your actions gain a magnetic quality. They draw opportunity to you instead of forcing you to chase after it. Imagine two people planting seeds. The first throws seeds frantically into dry soil, anxious, impatient, worried that nothing will grow. The second plants fewer seeds, but plants them carefully, watering, tending, trusting the process. Both worked, but only one worked in harmony with the laws of growth. This is the certain way. Wallace D. Wattles taught that before you act, you must think in a certain way. You must form a clear, definite picture of what you want. Not vague wishes, not half-believed hopes, but a vision you can see, feel, and inhabit internally. This vision becomes the mold into which the universe pours substance. When you work with that picture in your mind, your steps become purposeful. Your decisions become sharper. Your opportunities increase. People begin to notice something different about you. A calm confidence that cannot be faked. This is why the certain way is powerful. It transforms who you are before it transforms what you have. Working in the certain way means you stop rushing, you stop competing, you stop worrying, you stop begging life to reward your struggle, and you begin to create from within. You act with faith, not stress. You act with gratitude, not resentment. You act with clarity, not confusion. And when your thought and action are aligned, wealth begins to move toward you, not all at once, not dramatically at first, but steadily, quietly, surely, just as day follows night. Wallace D. Wattles wrote that every day is a complete day. You do what can be done today, no more, no less. You do each task to the best of your ability, without hurry, without anxiety. You stay present, you stay grateful, you stay faithful to your vision. This is working in the certain way. Even a humble task becomes powerful when done with a mind aligned to abundance. Even a small beginning becomes great when guided by clarity and purpose. The world has taught you to chase success. Wallace D. Wattles teaches you to attract it. You do not force results. You allow them. You do not grind until your spirit is exhausted. You direct your inner state and let your actions carry the vibration of creation. Wealth is not a prize that must be fought for. It is a natural effect of thinking and acting in harmony with the laws of the universe. And those laws never fail. If these words are opening something inside you, a quiet recognition, then stay close to this message. This is your reminder that you were never meant to struggle endlessly. You were meant to create, to expand, to express the fullness of life. If this teaching resonates with you, like this video. It helps this message reach more people. Subscribe. Join a community learning to live in the certain way. Comment below, I choose the certain way. Your engagement is not just support, it is an act of alignment. You do not need to work harder, you need to work in harmony. You do not need to chase success. You need to become the one success is drawn to. This is the certain way, and it is already within you.